Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Christmas ribbons you can get your hands on this holiday season. The 12 pieces red velvet ribbon bows from Hongsome. These aren't just decorations, they're festive magic wrapped in velvet. Right from the first look, these bows deliver a sense of elegance and warmth. They're crafted from premium velvet material, which feels soft to the touch and gives off a smooth, luxurious sheen. This isn't your average holiday ribbon. It's designed to elevate your Christmas aesthetic instantly. The plush texture alone brings a richness that plastic or satin ribbons just can't compete with. Each set includes 12 individual red velvet bows, and they are generously sized, 5 inches wide and 10 inches long. That's big enough to make a bold statement whether you're decorating your Christmas tree, adorning your front door wreath, or adding flair to your holiday party setup. The 1-inch width of the ribbon material is just right, wide enough to be noticeable, but not so thick that it overwhelms other decorations. What makes these bows stand out is their classic design. They're not trying too hard, it's that timeless red velvet look that perfectly captures the spirit of Christmas. This kind of simplicity is what brings charm. They blend seamlessly with traditional holiday decor but are also bold enough to be the centerpiece if you're going for a minimalist theme. When you unbox them, you'll notice that they come pre-tied and ready to use, saving you tons of time during that busy decorating window. Each bow is symmetrical, neatly trimmed, and fluffed, so there's no wrestling with loops or trying to get that perfect bow shape. There's a built-in twist tie on the back, making it easy to attach them securely to tree branches, garlands, railings, or even window hooks. That means less time fumbling and more time enjoying your decorations. Durability is another strong point here. These bows are designed to last through the season and can even be stored for future holidays. The velvet holds its shape well, and the color stays vibrant, no fading or fraying. Even when exposed to indoor lighting or slight humidity near windows or doorways. You can also get creative beyond just holiday trees and doors. Use them as gift toppers to elevate your present wrapping game, incorporate them into DIY wreaths, or even use them as table-setting accents during your Christmas dinner. Their versatility makes them a must-have for anyone who loves turning their space into a winter wonderland. And let's not ignore the price-to-quality ratio. For 12 large, well-crafted velvet bows, the value here is excellent. It's no surprise they're a #1 bestseller in decorative seasonal bows and ribbons. These are the kinds of decorations that people notice, and they'll definitely have your guests asking where you got them. So if you're ready to take your holiday decorating up a notch, the 12 pieces red velvet ribbon bows from Hongsome are a perfect choice. Easy to use, beautiful to look at, and durable enough to last, they hit all the right notes for festive decor. That's it for today's product critique. If you want your space to glow with timeless holiday charm, go grab this ribbon set and let the decorating begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next festive product review. See you next time, and happy decorating!